Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and look at this rainforest behind me, so lush and green and beautiful, and the tall trees, oh, and the birds. I love all the birds I get to see and hear from my rainforest, and I live on an island in Alaska, and it is beautiful, and it's sunny today, and I'm so thankful. You know, and when my kids were young, I started a home-based business, and now I've got 7 grandkids. Can you imagine what a blessing? And I never ever regretted starting a home-based business. It was the best choice I ever made. I'd never go back. And when my children would wake up in the morning, I would be there to greet them, and I would be there to take care of them, to feed them, to love them, to train them. And that is one of the incredible perks I loved about working from home. One of the beautiful perks too of living on an island is the harbor. Beautiful harbor with the mountains and the water and the fishing boats and the rides. You can go out and enjoy the nature out and just enjoy being out on the water. And one thing I really love about working from home too is the time freedom. Like if your kids need something, you can be there. Doesn't matter. You are free. Like my mom needed her knee replaced, an operation, and I was able to go spend time with her the entire time she needed me, not just a little bit or not at all. I had that freedom. I could do whatever I wanted and stay as long as I needed to, which is really comforting to me to be able to do that for my mom. And I really appreciate having an income that's consistent and appreciate the freedom, of course, and so many other things that come with it. But I really would love to help you have freedom too, so thanks. Hey, I'm by the harbor today, and I just got a notification that I got paid. And I'm excited to share with you the successful solution method, which I get paid all the time with it. And in June, I made over $1,400, and now we're in July, and I'm getting payment notifications, which is awesome. So I just want to let you know how incredible this is, and you should go to my website and check it out because it is the first online business that creates the entire package. Very simple, just do tasks and you get paid. You don't have to worry about the selling or telling or the, trying to get the sales or the traffic. None of that. And it's a fresh new business model that is absolutely taking this internet by storm because people are getting paid. Very important for you to get paid. So I'm very excited and thankful to be able to share this with you. So just go to my website, check it out, princessbosslady.info. Thanks for watching. Bye.